For a lot of reasons. I think the evidence-based research is huge because we were always told that divorce universally destroys children. And when I actually started going through the peer-reviewed research, reading the books, reading the famous best-selling book, The Unexpected Legacy of Divorce by Judith Wallerstein, and I've been told that, this is the book that, shows that it's universally destructive to kids. And she says right in the intro, you know what? I don't believe that divorce is universally destructive to children. And in her whole group of books, she comes out clearly and says, absolutely, when should you divorce, if there's abuse? Well, as soon as you possibly can. Don't stay for the kids. And she says this over and over in her books. Why does this never surface in the sermons we hear, in the articles we read from Christian organizations? It's not there.